So hello everyone, we are continuing with our tutorial. We are going to create pivot table and creating a pivot table and sorting out data using a pivot table part 2. We started with part 1, now this is part 2. Assuming this is all our data that we have, we are going to sort this data into categories, but also put them in a pivot table that is automatic. Yes, so what we do is start to create first, to create a pivot table from this chart. Every pivot table has a source, and as for us, this is the source of our data. So we are going to create a pivot table from this data, which will be our source. So I'm going to select all, and then I'll come and pivot table. So what we want to do is take the job title and just want to know, maybe in the department of IT, what is the total salary that every employer in a department is receiving. So I'm going to check the department icon. As you can see, that when I check department, they just list all the departments, and they go alphabetically actually. So what we want to do is add the annual salary. Yes, the annual salary. When I add the annual salary, you can see that in the accounting department it has its own salary, and then there's engineering part, its salary, and just like the other departments, all of them just listed the salary. Now what we want to see is the total, and what we're going to do is we are going to make sure that we put this in tabular form. So what you have to do is come to design, and then subtotal, do not show subtotal, and then in the report layout you just show in tabular form. Yes, as you can see, what happens is it separates the annual salary of the accounting department into a different column corresponding to its department. So you can see that every department has its own annual salary, and this is particular to everyone. What we can do here is say repeat all items, as you can see. So this is the department. Now you can add a job title per se, say, or full name next to it, so you know that this is Wesley King from accounting. Yeah, and it is added. Now if you say show all subtotal, you can see how the data happens to appear. Now this is not the way you want your data to appear. What you have to do is say do not show subtotal, and then what happens is just arrange them in a way that you can read also. But also you can select if you want maybe the first column to be full name. Maybe you say maybe I want full name to start, okay, and then department, and then annual salary. Or even you can just remove annual department, yeah, remove department, and then you remain with the full name and also the salary, because you can see these names have been sorted out alphabetically from A to Z. What you can do is this. Now you can add as many columns and rows as you like. Matter of fact, let me show you. As you can see, I just add and age. So what we want, you see how it's happening. So you have full name, annual salary, business unit, I don't know what this is. Let's put a job title, maybe. Yeah, exactly. See, so you have this Alia Mai with $246,589. Also is a female whose job title is a vice president, and the age is 57. Now what you can do, you can try to put this here, maybe. Yeah, because we don't want the sum. We don't want the sum of the age. We just want it to display the age according to the role of a particular person, a particular job title. Yeah, that is what we want. So this is about it. As you can see, what is happening. So you can create your tabular form just like that. You can change. As you remember, this is our source. Now you have a lot of data in here. You use pivot to sort this and put them in a sortable manner, the one you can access, and give you at least an overview that is summarized. The pivot table can do that for you, can summarize for you, can sort things for you, but you can just arrange your data according to how you want and the way you want it to appear. So thank you.